Hey, welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see WhatsApp broadcast list info on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. You should see a list of your chats on the main screen. Next, find a broadcast list that you have created or joined on your chat list. A broadcast list is a group of contacts that you can send messages to at once without creating a group chat. You can recognize a broadcast list by the megaphone icon next to the name. Then, tap on the broadcast list to open it. You should see the messages that you have sent or received on the broadcast list. Finally, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with some options. Tap on Broadcast List Info to see more details about the broadcast list. You will be able to see the name of the broadcast list, the number of recipients, and the delivery status of each message. You can also edit the name of the broadcast list, add or remove recipients, or delete the broadcast list from here. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.